Welcome to iBrain Robotics. I'm going to introduce the components of our STAR 3D endoscopy system. First, we have the main computing console. We have the high-speed Wi-Fi router. We have the 55-inch display. We have the xenon cold light source. We have the see-through augmented reality glasses. We have the blue-red glasses. And we have the full high-definition endoscopic camera. I will now show you how to get connected. From the computing console, you have the power cable that would go to the power source. You have the HDMI cable that would go to the HDMI port in the display. You have the Ethernet that would go from the Ethernet on the router to the Ethernet port in the back of the console. For the xenon light source, you'll have a power cable coming from the back. You'll make sure that's plugged into your power source. It comes with a fiber optic cable. This end goes into the optical fiber connector. This end of the fiber optic cable goes into the endoscope. Next, we will attach the endoscope to our full high-definition camera. It comes with a cap. You just squeeze here, and the cap will come off. Same with your endoscope. You squeeze here, and it's connected. I will now show you how to connect the high-definition endoscopic camera to our console. The cord for the camera comes like this. In order to connect it to the console, we need to turn it into a USB. It will come with this, and this just connects like that. And now you have a USB that you will connect into the USB port on the console. Next, I will show you our see-through augmented reality glasses. They will come like this. This connects to the controller. We have the power button, and this is touch screen that will control the glasses. I will now turn on the glasses from the control. Long press on the power button, and you can see the lights have come on. The controller can be kept in your pocket, any pocket, and clipped here. The glasses also come with a charger, and you would charge the controller when it is not in use. The charger is right here, and then we connect to a power source. That is everything about the components of our STAR 3D endoscopy system. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@ibrainrobotics.net. Thank you.
Welcome to iBrain Robotics. This is the demonstration of our STAR 3D see-through augmented reality 3D endoscopy. Once you've turned on the console, you will be able to locate the app called Endoscopy 3D. Right-click to open. This will bring you to the main settings page. The app comes with default settings that we suggest you use. From this screen, you just need to hit continue. Once you've hit continue, you will now see the application icon in the taskbar. You will right-click. Now you will see the various options that you have. To start the service, you would click Service and then Start. It will take roughly 5 seconds for the application to start. Now you can see the main screen of the application. Now you can see the application in the taskbar. If you move your cursor over the application in the taskbar, you will see that 3 windows are open. First, you have our main application window. Then you have the 2D, 3D toggle window and the toolbar window. You can also see the toolbar in the main application screen. We will now give you an overview of the application page. On the upper half, you have the left and right stereoscopic images. The lower half has the output and 3D computation settings, and the right panel is the Tools section. I will now show you what each icon is for. Input is the top one. Here you can load image file, load video file, and your vision device. These are the 3 main ones that you will use in the input section. Next, you have the operation time, which shows how much time has elapsed since the start of the application. Next is the frames per second. And next is the toggle between the main camera and augmented reality glasses. Next, you can record the procedure as well as take a snapshot during any time of the procedure. And play and pause is when you are playing the video. I will now show you how we can load a video, and I can demonstrate all the other sections of the application. You would go to Input, Load Video File. You can now select the video that you would like to upload. Now we can see on the main application the left and right stereoscopic images. In the output panel, we can choose from surface depth analysis or anaglyph depth analysis. To choose surface, you would select surface and then check the box. In here we can see the 3D image, and you can use your scroll bar to make the image larger or smaller. You can also long click the right button of the mouse and move it in any direction to visualize the depth analysis. Now you can see the 3D depth. This is the regular plane, and this is the protrusion of the image, which signifies the 3D depth computation by our console. This is not the actual 3D screen. It is just for you to analyze what kind of depth the console is computing for you to see in your 3D glasses. Again, this is the regular plane, and this is the protrusion of the image. Now we will show you the anaglyph depth analysis. To select anaglyph, you would need to deselect surface, highlight anaglyph, and check it. Now let's look into the 3D depth computation settings and how each button causes variation in the remaining settings. The first option is distance. which shows the virtual camera distance. It is how closely the camera is looking at the procedure. Next is depth. This shows how much depth you want to perceive in the 3D. By default, the depth is at 0.4, and this is the best for the best output. Now I will show you the baseline. The baseline is the disparity between the left and right images. This will vary for anaglyph images. The more the disparity, the more 3D the image is, but not so much as to blur the image. As you can see, the disparity is very wide and we're lowering it. We will now be able to see the settings we have adjusted in the 2D, 3D toggle window. On this screen, you will now need your red-blue glasses to see the image in 3D. This is not for the surgeon to view, it is for the audience or the helping staff in the surgical theater if they want to view the procedure in 3D. The operating surgeon can see in regular 3D in the augmented reality glasses. The audience can see in 3D using the red-blue glasses on the big screen as the doctor continues to see in regular 3D in the augmented reality glasses. The audience can view the image in regular 2D by deselecting anaglyph and highlighting and selecting the surface button. The audience can view the image in regular 2D by deselecting anaglyph and highlighting and selecting the surface button. You can now hover on the taskbar and choose the 2D, 3D toggle window. Now you will be able to see the procedure in 2D. On this window, you can always switch between 2D and 3D modes. Now I will show you how to connect the augmented reality glasses. First, you will want to turn on your glasses using the controller. You'll open the app. You will want to make sure the console and the glasses are on the same Wi-Fi router as provided with our system. We will now go into the application icon in the taskbar, right-click, Augmented Reality, and Discover. Once the console has discovered the augmented reality glasses, you will have a message across the virtual screen that says "Got message from an IP address." We'll then go to the icon in the taskbar, Augmented Reality, Glasses, and you can see that the glasses have been discovered. You will select the glasses. Now the glasses have been paired with the console. In order to see what we are seeing on the screen, we will go to Doctor in the toolbar, select Glasses, and 3D. Now we are seeing what's on the screen in 3D on our 120-inch high-definition virtual screen in the augmented reality glasses. Once you are viewing the procedure, you can go to your toolbar, and on here we can choose to record the procedure. It will prompt you to save the recording twice, once in 2D and a second video in 3D. You can also take a snapshot during any time in the procedure. And that will also save to the requested file. In the toolbar, you can also see our procedure time as well as the frames per second. Now, to view the recording, we will stop recording the procedure. And then we can go to the desktop and find the folder where we saved it, and we'll be able to view the complete 2D version, as well as the complete 3D version. And here are our snapshots that we've taken. Now we will connect the endoscope to the console. We'll scroll up to our toolbar, select Input, Vision Device, and select the 2M webcam. Now you can see what the endoscope camera is seeing. We come down to the Output section and highlight and select Surface. Here we can long right-click and move the mouse any direction. As you can see, the structures are protruding from the image. Again, this is just to analyze the 3D depth. To view the 3D and 2D, we go to the 2D, 3D toggle screen. When exiting the application, you will want to right-click on the icon in the taskbar and exit. That now concludes our online demonstration of iBrain Robotics STAR 3D See-Through Augmented Reality 3D Endoscopy System. Thank you.